In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make color charts in Salesforce. To get started, head over to Salesforce and sign into your account. Once you're on the home page, the first thing you'll want to do is open the app launcher. From there, search for reports and open the reports area. At this point, you can either open an existing report if you already have one you want to visualize, or click New Report to create one from scratch. This gives you the foundation for building a chart from your report data. Once your report is open, go into the report builder by clicking Edit. Before adding a chart, make sure your data is grouped in a useful way, because charts in Salesforce work best when the data is organized by a field. For example, you might group by stage, owner, lead source, or close date. Grouping is what allows Salesforce to separate your data into categories, which is where the color distinctions in the chart will come from. After your data is grouped, click Add Chart. Salesforce will then generate a visual version of your report. Next, choose the chart type that makes the most sense for the data you want to present. Salesforce supports several options, including bar charts, column charts, pie charts, donut charts, line charts, and funnel charts. For example, if you're looking at opportunity stages, a chart showing categories like closed won, negotiation, proposal, prospecting, and qualification can appear automatically with different colors assigned to each category, making the report much easier to scan and understand. To customize the chart, open the chart properties. In Salesforce Lightning Experience, this is where you can adjust the chart's display settings. If applicable, you can also select a dashboard theme, which may influence the colors shown. Review the available chart display options, then save the report once everything looks right. It's important to know that standard Salesforce report charts usually apply colors automatically based on the chart type and the active theme, so direct color control may be somewhat limited in standalone reports. If you want more flexibility with colors, move over to Dashboards. Navigate to the Dashboards area, then create a new dashboard or edit an existing one. Add your report as a dashboard component, select the chart type you want, and then configure the display settings. In some cases, you'll also have access to conditional formatting or additional visual options, which can give you more control over how the chart looks. When you're finished, click Save to preserve the chart and its visual settings. And that's how to make color charts in Salesforce.